Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 10 hobbies you can try in 2026 to make your days more fun and relaxing. These hobbies are simple, cute, and perfect to do at home. Let's start. 1. Journaling. Writing your thoughts or decorating pages with stickers can be really relaxing. 2. Drawing or sketching. You don't have to be perfect, just draw anything you like. 3. Photography. Take pictures of small, beautiful things like the sky, flowers, or your room. 4. Plant care. Growing small plants is peaceful and fun to watch. 5. Listening to podcasts or music. Relax and enjoy your favorite sounds during free time. 6. Room decorating. Make your space cute and cozy in your own style. 7. Learning calligraphy. Try writing in pretty fonts and styles. 8. Baking. Bake simple things like cookies or cupcakes. 9. Vlogging. Record small moments of your day and keep memories. 10. Reading books. Reading helps you relax and learn new things. These were 10 hobbies to try in 2026. Tell me in the comments which hobby you like the most. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Saru. See you in the next video. Bye.